Hello, welcome back to my channel. How are you? How have you been? How's your day? Hopefully it was good, because mine was boring. You thought I was gonna say bad, didn't you? Well, tricked you. So yeah, about this. I always do this. I paint one side of my nails and I don't do the other side. It's only because I'm right-handed, so painting my left side is always easier than doing my right. Let's take these suckers off because glasses, they're ugly. Just kidding. They help me see and I like not being blind. So today I will show you 2 different ways on how to do fake freckles. So since this is an easy, short, and simple video, it won't take too long to edit, so it'll be easier to get it up. So I love that for me. As you can see, I already have a little bit of freckles on. Now I don't, so I could start out with a fresh, clean palette. So I'm gonna use this. You're like, what the frick is that? And I know this is I laugh every time I use it in a video. This is from Ulta. It was in a kit. That's why it looks like that, because it's actually supposed to be in a big box, but I took it out because it's just easier. So I'm gonna use all 3 of these shades. These are actually eyebrow powder. You can use eyeshadow, bronzer, I think. You could probably use bronzer. Oh yeah, and I'm also gonna use a little liner pen that is like, it's not a pen. It's not a pen. I'm gonna use a little liner brush that is circular like this. I don't have a good camera, so like it's not ever gonna focus like a good professional camera because I'm using my iPhone. So yeah, it's not gonna do that, but hopefully you can see. I mean, yes, you can see. Why am I saying hopefully you can see? I'm just gonna use one of these. You could also use like the tip of an angled brush if you don't have a liner brush like this one. I've also seen people who use... Why does this always happen? Like, this is so cheap. Literally, this keeps falling off of this. You think I would have glued it down by now, but I just haven't gotten around to it. I tried to look for the glue one time and I couldn't find it, so I gave up. Hashtag relatable. Why did I... Okay, whatever. I've seen people use this. Like, they've dipped it into the powder. Yeah, I think they used powder and they do this. You could do that, but I think we're going for realism here. Realistic? Am I using the right words? I don't know anymore. Oh, and I turned that on, but since my huge ass head is covering it, you can't see it. Don't mind my blanket. It's so bunched up right there, so just don't mind that. I turned that on so it could be in the video, but my head was covering it the whole time, so you didn't know it was on until now, so I'm sorry. I'm not good at YouTube. I'm just starting out. Please have grace and mercy on me. I think you could also use bobby pins if you're really wanting to have fake freckles for whatever reason, and for some reason you just don't have any of these brushes. You can use bobby pins. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna take the lightest shade. I start like with the lighter shade and I just go everywhere. What like I feel like helps make it look more realistic is if you do them in like little sections like that. So like you'll have like groups. And okay, so my technique for this is not original. I got it off another girl from YouTube. I don't remember what her video is, what her channel name is. So I'm not trying to copy anybody, but I'm just saying I watched her do this and it seemed logical, like the most realistic. So I'm basically showing you what she did. I'm fake for that, but is you're gonna go in like little groups like this on different little areas, and you want to start with a lighter shade. And with the lighter shade, you're gonna want to put a lot more down than you're going to do with the darker shades. And I usually bring it out around here. So like I do it all in this area, and then I bring it across my nose. Sometimes I'll go up on the forehead a little bit. What the frick was that? Now that you got the main layer down. I'm gonna take this middle shade right here, which is a little bit darker, and concentrate more towards the center, but still keeping it out here a little bit. So basically, the darker the shadow you're using, the more like concentrated you want to be right here, because that's mostly where like the sun would hit, and that's where you'd have more darker freckles than out here, at least for the most part. And I'm just gonna take the darkest shade and just focus mostly just right in here within these 2 points. If you feel like it just looks a little unnatural, just take a beauty blender and fix your bangs, and just tap on it very lightly. I look like Donald Trump. So that's one way to do freckles. I didn't need a spray because I'm just gonna James Charles? Was that you? Did I just get possessed by James Charles? Thanks to my bestie, my best friend Ali. I know you're watching this, sweetie. Call me later. But thanks to her for everything. But she got me this Fenty lip gloss for Christmas. I just don't know what I did to deserve her. But I'm very thankful. So I'm just gonna put that on. And you know, like, I didn't expect this at all. Oh, that is so cool. Haha. I didn't expect this to smell so good. You know that candy sweet tarts? That's literally what it smells like, and it makes me want to eat it. Not the lip gloss, but the candy, but also the lip gloss because it smells really good. Although, like, I don't think it'd be good to eat lip gloss. You would probably make this look better than me, but that's good enough. I mean, it's just a video, right? Right? Am I right? I'm not going anywhere, so it doesn't matter that much. It's not like the whole world will possibly see this video and will judge me for how bad I did, but at least I'm not going anywhere. Now it's time to do another version. Okay, well, that's good enough. You know I took it off because, like, you're technically starting out with a fresh base. So now I'm gonna use brow pomade. Oh, maybe if this was a little bit more of a creamy consistency of a brow pomade, then maybe it wouldn't look so bad. It kind of looks like I have like dirt on my face, like really bad. Since this is dark, it's gonna look like literal dirt on my face, or blackheads, but that's what you have a booty blender for. Who let me have makeup is the question. This is why I don't use brow pomades, because it's trash. I think I'm done blending. This is not the preferred method, but you know, I'm just putting it out there that this is an option. Some people are magical enough to make it look good, but I don't like that brow pomade for doing this because, like, it dries down so quickly and it's so hard to like get rid of once it's dried on. Milani, I mean, that's really good for eyebrows, but not for fake freckles. There's that version. I don't like that one as much. This is like when I first started doing freckles and they looked really bad. Like, I think it's how I applied it. Like, I think I put way too much on anyway. So that's like my bad. So I think that's it for this video. I was gonna do another way on how you could do fake freckles, which is with, I was gonna do henna, but I feel like that should be a separate video and I need more content, so I'm just gonna do this another time. But keep an eye out for that video. No guarantees when it may be out because I'm so inconsistent. Why was I gonna say inconsistent? Am I okay? I'm very inconsistent with uploading. So just know that there's a possibility for that video to come out sometime. But since someone asked for this video, like, I was scared. Like, I know only one person asked for it, but I was like, I don't know if anybody wants this video, so I thought it would have been dumb to do fake freckles, like a fake freckles video. So, thank you for watching this video. I'm sorry I'm not like wearing freckles in the outro. subscribe because my friend bought me the Fenty lip gloss. I love you guys, all my 14 subscribers. I love you all, even though you all don't watch my videos. I don't even know who subscribed to me. Why would you subscribe to me? I wouldn't subscribe to me. But please don't unsubscribe. And if you're a new person watching, and if you're a new person watching this, please subscribe. Or just do whatever you want. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm new at this. James Charles, if you're watching, please help me. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.